Hey y'all, it's
Kip.
and Kurt. I know this video is way overdue, but I promise we have a special surprise for you guys today. Today we're going to be doing a mystery snack crate, and the snack crate is pretty much that.
A snack crate is a company that pretty much just sends you snacks from different countries, and it's random. You have to subscribe to them, and they charge you a monthly fee. And once you subscribe, every month they'll just send you a box like this of a different country, random, chosen, and you get to just enjoy snacks from that country.
We're going to put all the information on the details and things like that below in the description box. So we're pretty much just going to get straight into it. Just to let you know, we do not know what country we have. So this is going to be our first time opening this box. Babe ordered this box a few days ago, so we just got it. And so the country that we have is,
This is what it looked like.
So that's the snack crate. And the country that we have is Sweden. Sweden is the country that they gave us. Like I said, it is mystery, so you pretty much don't know where you're getting until you get it. When you first open the box, there's some facts and information about Sweden.
So I just say this month's snack crate is from Sweden. It got some fun facts, all the different snacks that's gonna be in the box. They just tell you about it.
Okay. Alright. Wow. Okay,
So I did order one of the biggest box. It's like a small box, a medium box, large box. I got the medium box, so it comes with like 10 to 12 snacks in it.
yeah, that is a lot. You nervous about tasting the snack?
Which one you want to do first?
So does it have the names of the things that's in here?
I got the name of the snack.
Okay. So the first one that I'm going to pick to try is called Jap. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's JAPP. And
So
what does it say? It says the Jap bar. This bar features milk chocolate filled with cocoa, meringue, and creamy caramel. So delicious. I'm not a big fan of meringue, but I'm going to give it a try. You're going to try this with me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, y'all need a drink.
Forgive me, you guys, because I don't like to try new things. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, it comes with 2 in it. Like in the first opening, it does come with 2 in it. So I'm going to give her one. And I'm going to have one for myself. So that's pretty
like
much
a Snickers
it
bar.
does. Like, the super size Snickers, and it has 2. So we're just going to go ahead and.
All right, so I can't just bite this. I'm going to have to open this.
I'm going to just bite mine. Looks like a Milky Way. I'm just going to bite mine.
Oh, yeah, it kind of looked like a Milky Way.
I already tasted it. It's good. It tastes like a Milky Way. Yeah. It's called Jap. Tastes just like a Milky Way to me. It's pretty good. So that's what score would you give this? What score would you give it?
Maybe a 5.
You'll
5 out of 10.
You give it a 5? I'll give it a 5 too, because I'm not a fan of Milky Ways, but it's literally just a Milky Way, so I'll give it a 5. Okay? On to the next, baby. You pick.
Alright, I wanted these chips, dill and grasola. I don't know.
Okay, so let me see what So the dill and grasola chips is just crispy, rich potato chips flavored with dill and chives. So they probably just pretty much taste like sour cream and onion chips. So you're gonna taste them at the same time. So I'm gonna just what it looks like. I taste. It's literally sour cream and onion chips. Literally. Like. You like them?
They're alright. I mean, American chips got more flavor.
Yeah, it's like a
It kind
low.
of tastes like a pickle, a lot like a pickle.
To me, it
I
tastes like
taste
a low fat sour cream and onion chip.
I don't know what that is, but
That's the try.
tastes like a pickle.
They're okay. What score do you give them out of 10?
I give it another. Maybe it's 5.
I'll give them a 5.5 because they taste like sour cream and onion chips to me. Okay, so it's my turn to pick, and I am going to pick this little thing. It says banana skids. I don't know if you guys can see that. Banana skids. So off the bat, it looks like a banana Laffy Taffy off the back. So let's just try to open this. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and break this. It's like taffy. It's like taffy. So I don't know. Ready? Yeah. Let's come try this. Woo. Oh.
Whoa.
I don't like it.
It's real chewy. Like it kind of, I don't know. It's kind of hard to chew.
I don't like it. Ugh. You like it?
I mean, it's not bad. Honestly, I'd probably give it like a 4.
I give it a 4 too.
But I wouldn't buy it.
That's the banana skids. I give it a 4.
All right, so I'm gonna try. Balar. It's like a gummy, I guess.
What does it say for Balar?
It's a fruity combination of foam and gummy. Each bag features red raspberry, yellow lemon, and orange tutti frutti. Those look.
You know what those look like? Those marshmallow candies. You know what I'm talking about? That's what they look like. But let's try it.
I'm gonna try a white one. That's what it look like.
I'm just gonna try pink.
Hard.
Super hard.
I don't know.
I don't know.
This color ain't really got no flavor. Like it's really light.
Maybe that's just a plain foam. Try a different color.
Red.
Yeah, that's the one that I have. It's okay. Just taste
Green.
Ooh. It just tastes like stale gummy bears to me. I don't know.
Yeah, they do taste stale.
Don't it taste like a stale gummy bear?
Yeah. 0. I'm sorry, but nah.
I won't give it a 0. I'll give it a 1 because it's not bad. They just taste stale. I don't know if that makes sense. But on to the next. I'm going to do this thing. It has a picture of an alligator on it. It's called Croco Fanta. In this thing, it says that the Croco Fanta is a sweet and soft marshmallow covered in chocolate and colorful sprinkles. I'm not a fan of marshmallows, so I don't know how good I'm like this. On the other hand, she loves marshmallows, so
But I'm not a fan of marshmallow and chocolate. Nah.
So you grab one, and I'll grab one.
That's what it looks like.
Oh my god, it's super soft. It's so soft.
Go ahead.
Okay, at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Honestly, I can't finish doing it because I don't like the texture.
I don't like it. I'm sorry. A 0 from me. I'm sorry. I don't like it. I apologize, but I don't like it. I need something. Sorry.
I'm trying.
I'm sorry.
I mean, you know what? You know what? Now, hold on.
No. Well, I don't like marshmallow, so I don't like it.
Hold on. Now, I was just about to spit that out. I mean, it ain't real nasty, but I give it a 1.
You give it a 1?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. On to the next. I need something to wash my mouth. On to the next, baby. Is your turn.
I'm gonna do keks.
Ooh. Here it says
like a wafer bar look like.
Let me see if I see keks in here. Keks. It says Cloetta Keks Bar is a crispy wafer covered in milk chocolate, giving the perfect combination of sweet and crunchy in every bite. So it's probably kind of like a Kit Kat or something like that. That's what it looks
It's
like.
like cut into sections of three, kind of.
Ooh. You can break it. This might be good. I'm gonna taste it. 1, 2, 3.
I don't like the taste of the wafer. A 2. I give it a 2.
I give it.
No, I give it a 1. Because honestly, the last one, the marshmallow thing, tastes better than that.
Okay. I give it a 4.5 because it's not that bad. That's just. Okay, it's my turn. Okay. Let's go ahead and try. So you want to try these little hockey puck things?
Yeah.
We have these little hockey puck things. She has one and I have one.
I got a red one.
And then a blue one. You can see it. It says that these little things. Let's see if I can find it in here. I love how they give you a description of everything that they have. So it says that the hockey pulver is a unique Swedish treat featuring flavored candy powder packaged in a hockey puck shaped container. So let's see. My flavor is fizzy bubble. What's your flavor, babe?
Super cert.
I can't even open this thing.
You gotta pull it. Oh.
Oh no.
So it just kind of spilled out. It's like a powder.
Does it bubble? Like fizz or something like that? Be careful. Okay.
So one is blue, one is red. This the blue. Ooh. Red, white. I'm talking about blue and red.
Okay, so I'm just gonna taste it this way. Oh my god.
It's sour. Let me try that.
That's a lot. That's a lot for me. I'm gonna try the red one.
That's white.
White, whatever. Woo. Super
This blue. I don't know. I don't like it.
It's a lot. It reminds me of those things, you know, those straw things.
Yeah, but those straws taste better than this. I'm
It's
gonna
a lot.
give these a 2. Something for kids, I guess.
It's something for kids. I'm not a fan of them. So that's that. On to the next, babe.
So next, I'm gonna try a plop. What's plop?
Okay, so it says that right there. It says the plop is a milk chocolate candy filled with decadent caramel. Each bar is cut into little squares, perfect for sharing with a friend. So I love anything dealing with caramel. So let's just try this.
Whoa! See, that's a shocker. Cause
Oh my god!
this thing looks so good, man. But oh my lord, the chocolate.
I'm sorry.
What flavor is the chocolate? I don't know what flavor the chocolate is, but nah. Whoa.
Yeah.
0. That's a very surprising
That's a
taste
0.
that I don't like.
I need some water. Ugh. That's a 0 for me too.
Go ahead. All right.
Okay.
So
we have a few more in here.
almost done.
Almost. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try Polly. Just to let you guys know, we were in our supermarket yesterday, and we actually seen these in our supermarket. So yeah, it says Polly is a chewy foam drop covered with chocolate, flavored with vanilla toffee and Arak. I'm not sure what that is, but
I can already tell.
what can you already tell? Oh, they're very small. They're small.
So it's a little ball thing.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
The white stuff in the middle is hard. Kind of.
They're edible, but I mean, they're not something that I would go and buy.
If that's like dark chocolate a little bit, I get out of 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah, I'll give it a 3. Yeah.
so next,
What
I'm gonna try the Marabou Fruit and Mandel chocolate bar.
Okay, so it says the Fruit and Mandel. It's a popular, whatever. This bar features rich milk chocolate mixed with almonds, which is my favorite, and raisins. So this might be really good. This might be really good. Just give me one bar. Oh, okay, that's fine. I don't care about it. I got raisins.
Tastes like a
Oh, Hershey almonds.
It tastes like a chocolate covered raisin. The raisins, but with nuts in it. It ain't bad. I give it a 7. 7.
Yeah, 7 is good.
Something you gotta eat slow though.
It's not bad though. Yeah, it's not bad. It's alright. Okay, so we gonna have a few more. I'm going to do. We don't have to do these because this is just a bigger bag of what we previously tried.
Yeah, but it's a different flavor. I'm gonna taste it.
Okay, so we can go ahead and do these.
Those is the Ballard Fruit Combi, a fruity combination of foam and gummy.
This looks like the same thing we pretty much just tried.
Yeah, it's like light chewy marshmallows. That's what it's supposed to be, light chewy marshmallows.
I'm just gonna go ahead and. Yeah.
Oh,
No, you're good. Sorry about that, guys. Our camera is acting crazy. They're pretty good. They're actually good. I like them.
I'm okay.
I'll give them a 5. And then last but definitely not least, we have a Pigalle. I don't know. We have a Pigalle, and it says that the Pigalle is Pigalle is a milk chocolate filled with hazelnut truffle mousse and so delicious. Okay. Come on, Pigalle. I have to. It's kind of melty. I don't know. But
Oh man. So this one kind of melted.
yeah, I'm not sure why, but let's get the other one out.
So this is what the inside look like because he nailed it.
Yeah.